You are welcome to Den of Knowledge Primary 1 class English language. Today we are going to look at an important topic that says expressing gratitude and farewell. Expressing gratitude and farewell. Expressing gratitude and farewell. Now, do you know you are expected to express gratitude each time a good thing is being done to you by someone else? It shows how good you are, and then it shows that you are grateful. Someone who is not grateful will not keep receiving good things from people, because when someone does good things to you and you are not grateful, that person won't do it again, probably. So it is good for you to show that you are grateful for the good thing that you have received from someone by showing what? Gratitude. Gratitude is not difficult to show. It's very simple to show. Just by saying few words. You can express gratitude by just saying thank you. Say it. Thank you. This is the simple way to show gratitude. Thank you. Once someone does a good thing to you, just say thank you. You can add thank you, ma, for female. Thank you, sir, for male. When you wake up in the morning, after the whole works you've done, and then they give you food to eat by your parents or guardian, why not say thank you, dad? Why not say thank you, ma'am? Why not say thank you, aunt? Thank you, uncle? They require these things from you. Of course, they may not tell you, but they require it from you. And then let me tell you, people love cheerful children. Children that are always cheerful, children that are always grateful, people love them. And people will always show kindness to them. So if you want people to show kindness to you, you simply show gratitude to them by saying thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir. You can still say, I am grateful. Yes, you can add that. Thank you, ma. I am grateful. Or you say, thank you, sir. I appreciate. I appreciate. Yes, you can say, I am grateful. Or you say, I appreciate. Now, let's use it. You can also say that to your friends. Even your younger ones. Some people don't show gratitude to their younger ones. When you ask your younger one to give you this, and they decide to give you that, why not say, thank you, I am grateful. Thank you, I appreciate. Okay, when they say, happy birthday to you, why not say, thank you, I appreciate. I love your clothing. Why not say, thank you, I appreciate. You look nice. Why not say, thank you, I appreciate. These are simple ways you can show gratitude to people. Not necessarily when you have money. No, you can simply say, thank you, I appreciate. Or, thank you, I am grateful. God equally wants you to show gratitude to Him by saying, thank you for giving me life. Thank you for providing for me. Thank you for protecting me. So, as God wants you to show gratitude, human being also wants you to show gratitude. Now let's look about farewell. Farewell. Yes, farewell is a way you wish good things to people. You can also wish good things to people. I told you the other time that you can wish good things to people by saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. You can also use another way by saying goodbye, especially when someone wants to go for a journey. You say goodbye, or you can say good luck. When someone wants to engage on an activity, you say good luck, especially when your parents want to go to work. You tell them good luck. When your siblings, your friends, or your neighbors or whoever wants to go for examination, why not say good luck? It's a way to show farewell to them. Now, let's try this. Can you turn to people around you henceforth and show gratitude and farewell to them? I hope you do it consistently to prove to them that you are a good child. And then I am going to see you next time, same place, Den of Knowledge. Remember, show gratitude and farewell. For now, see you next time. Bye bye.